speak about this because Dr. Bimal Gandhi was not there. Initially, when I spoke to my colleagues and friends, they told, "Oh, it's easy thing. There's no doubt that Vision Center is better than CAMP." So I hope everybody in the audience, including to a finite population with permanent commitment to the population, with appropriate infrastructure and trained human resources, long-term local community. It's a fast point interface with the population, and comprehensive eye care service is provided by exclusive skilled eye workers, which all these are not there in ICAM. It's not a permanent commitment in ICAM, and there's no comprehensive eye care service provided in the ICAM. So if ICAM was doing well, was there a need for Vision Center? So definitely ICAM was not doing well, so there was a need for Vision Center. Like Professor Rajan told, most of the blindness can be taken care by refraction. So in Vision Center, many of the existing strategy, whatever was there before Vision Center, focused primarily on cataract as a cause of blindness, and they are lacking in comprehensive approach in rural community. So therefore, there was a need for Vision Center. The existing outreach approaches are not serving the community on a permanent basis, and less than 10% of people who need eye care access to those temporary eye care services. So avoidable blindness and visual impairment can only be tackled by comprehensive eye care service, which can be available in Vision Center. And 80% of eye problem can either be diagnosed and treated or diagnosed and referred adequately by trained personnel at primary level. Basically, the work is RRR, recognition, retraction and referral. The remaining 10 to 20% patient may require cataract surgery or any other specialty service in secondary and tertiary care center, which can be linked to Vision Center. So existence of primary eye care can serve the community in a cost-effective manner. It can help in providing a referral system, so people don't have to travel for basic eye care service to a distant place. Therefore, 60 to 70% blindness due to cataract and 20% due to refractive error can be taken care of. So this is the pyramid system where the primary eye care center takes care of 50,000 population. It's mainly caters a population 50,000. So if you think a village of 1,000, you take care of 50 villages, and usually linked to a secondary center which is 50 kilometers to take care of other referral. And each financial is sustainable with a period of 2 to 3 years of establishment. Like I told, the permanent facility available in local population round the year is not for once in a year. People wait for that. By that time, the cataract, usually people have a notion whenever the camp will be there, I'll go there. It is managed by a trained eye care technician. It is linked to either a primary healthcare worker or NGO worker, community health volunteer. It utilizes community resources through community participation and monitor community ownership. So these are typical Vision Center of LVTI where the vision technician does the retraction. So coming to advantages of Vision Center, because of poverty and absence of attendant accompanying the needy person are some of the major barriers for poor uptake of eye care service, which can be taken care of by Vision Center. It could be addressed by providing service at convenient time at an accessible location so that people can access without having to lose their daily wage. Major eye problem like glaucoma and diabetic retinopathy have to be diagnosed at earliest stage for better restoration of sight. Such kind of eye disease can be detected and referred at an early stage. In addition to diagnose, it improves the awareness about eye condition and their management within the community. It increases the yield of surgical load at referral service center. It provides good quality eye service at an affordable cost to rural and disadvantaged community. Eye health education can scale up awareness level in rural community. Efficient management of Vision Center can help us to eliminate avoidable blindness and achieve the goal of Vision 2020. Increases the community participation in eye care service. Coming to disadvantage of camp, definitely surgery in camp is a failure. That's why the outreach camp was stopped. So poor surgical outcome was one of the issues. There's no follow-up mission. After the initial visit, there is no follow-up. Major diseases are not taken care of. And there is any minor emergency, there is no permanent structure, there is no service, so people have to go to a distant place, and people lose a day work for poor patients. So those who think this Vision Center is not a cost effective, it's definitely a cost effective because provide primary care in a community hub, then referral, it causes referral to other places. As a permanent body, Vision Center provides an appropriate and customized refractive error service to people in need. So although people are not charged with device spectacle, By being embedded to the community and focusing on a financial sustainability from the start, Vision Center should be able to deliver service in the long future. Thank you.